Hello and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 15 minutes to discuss the 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. The live forum and Q&A session are exclusively available to Smartkarma Plus subscribers. You can always revisit previous episodes on this YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive for Smartkarma Plus subscribers, where we use the forum to discuss the best highest conviction insights surfaced across the Smartkarma network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. At the end of every week, we take video recordings of the forum and convert them into very short, bite-sized pieces and upload them onto our YouTube channel to make it easy for you to revisit these ideas at your own time and pace. This also makes it easier for you to share these ideas with your friends and get their feedback. Every week, we try to bring you a range of ideas from large caps, small and mid caps, as well as core thematics. Today, we'll begin by looking at PC Partner, then we will move on to Kunlun Energy, and lastly, we'll take a look at tobacco stocks after a multi-year decline. Let's begin with PC Partner. The ticker is 1263 Hong Kong, and this is covered by Nicholas van Broekhoven on the Smartkarma platform. PC Partner designs, develops, and manufactures video graphics cards. They reported its second best year ever in FY22, but FY22 was divided into 2 distinct halves, a strong first half and one of the worst halves in the second. FY23 looks to be another challenging year as margins stay under pressure. It no longer has a large net cash buffer, and Nicholas expects the stock to revisit 2 to 3 Hong Kong dollar range. Next, we have Kunlun Energy. The ticker is 135 Hong Kong, and this is covered by Osbert Tang on the Smartkarma platform. Kunlun Energy explores and produces crude oil and natural gas in China. Its core earnings rose 25.2% in FY22, providing solid evidence for its strength against its peers. Its pace of new project additions has also not weakened, as it secured 25 new projects in FY22. Its net cash of 13.6 billion renminbi equals to 28% of its share price, making 8.9% ROE look decent. Osbert believes that its market earnings forecast is too low, and even so, it trades on just 7.2x FY23 PER. Lastly, we take a look at investors returning to tobacco stocks after a multi-year decline. This is an insight covered by Stephen Holden on the Smartkarma platform. After a multi-year drop in ownership, global EM fund exposure in the tobacco sector is on the rise. Tobacco remains heavily under-owned, but key EM funds are raising allocations. ITC Limited is a key beneficiary of inflows and is the most widely owned stock in the sector. This is followed by KTNG Corp. ITC Limited has continuously achieved an AA rating by MSCI ESG, its highest amongst global tobacco companies. Altria and Philip Morris talk about ending tobacco consumption and shifting to non-tobacco alternatives. If you found the forum useful but have follow-up questions, please feel free to continue the conversation on Smartkarma. We hope to speak to you next week, and until then, all the best and goodbye.
That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. If you like these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thanks for watching and see you next week.